we're not putting that in. How do you start without being cringy? Everyone keeps asking us to do a boat tour, all our school friends and family, so we're going to give you a boat tour. Okay, this is our boat called Serenade. It's 54 foot long, which is roughly 18 or 19 meters, I think, and it's got 5 sails, so it's really big to manage. When you first walk into the boat, you'll walk down some stairs and you'll reach the saloon, which is like your living room, dining room kind of thing. There's a TV, a booth that goes around the table, as well as a couch to the right. If you continue to walk through the saloon and to the bow of the boat, you'll reach my cabin, which has a bed, which is hard to explain because it's like a triangle size because it's at the bow, as well as all my stuff on a shelf at the top. It's like books and paints, my 2 squishmallows, my closet, which I get that cupboard so you can get an idea of how much I can fit, and a bench, and that's pretty much it. Walking out of my cabin and then turning to the left, you'll reach the forward head. The forward head is an electric toilet, and we don't really use that one at the moment, and I'll show you why later. It has a sink, a shower, and then lots of storage space, which is good. It's filled with first aid at the moment though. Opposite the forward head is the bunk cabin. So the bunk cabin is actually unused, and the bottom bed is just free for any guests, and the top one is used for storage for like tin foods and those cushions. Walking through, we reach the nav room. So the nav room is forbidden for my sister and I basically, but it's just filled with all the behind the scenes stuff for like the boat and the radios and that sort of stuff. It also has the chargers and the fridge. This side of the boat we reach the galley. So the galley's like your kitchen and it's in the hallway. So on this side where I'm showing right now, we have a sink, a gas stove top, an oven and a microwave. And then on the other side it's just some tea towels hanging and stuff like that. Okay, so now we reach the back head, and this is the toilet that we use more often, purely because it's easier and everyone on the boat is more comfortable with using it. It's pretty much just pumping it up and down, and you can switch between filling the bowl up and emptying the water. Then we have a sink, and that's pretty much all there is. This is my sister's cabin, which is right next to the back head, and I mean there's a bed, a sink, some storage. I can't really be going through it too much, but she's got curtains like me, and that's all her stuffed toys. So this is my parents' cabin, which pretty much looks identical to my sister's cabin, because this is actually like the main master bedroom, where like there's a wall between here where you can take it off, and like one's the wife's side and one's the husband's side, that kind of thing. So that's why that's like that, but we use 2 rooms at the moment. Walking through and up we go. So this is the cockpit, and it's personally my favourite place to be. I just like to stand right there. I don't know why, but it's a great spot. And it's just an outdoor area where we do the steering, and it's probably where we'll be for most of the time we're sailing. So this is our deck, and it's kind of messy when I filmed it, but these are our paddle boards as well as this seat, which my sister takes a lot of the time, but you can literally watch the whole water in front of you. This is our washing tub, whatever you want to call it, and then behind there is our portable water containers. We have an outdoor seating area here, and then this is our dinghy, but we're going to give this one away, and we have another one at the back which is much newer and can tie up. So that's pretty much the boat tour, so please let me know what you want to see, because I'm not really sure how to work a YouTube channel and I'm still learning. And so I might film when I actually leave off our mooring, so that could be soon, but yeah, give me suggestions. Bye!